All right, next up we're with Ash from Heason Technology. First of all, Ash, tell us a little bit about what you do here.
Yeah, so shall I take the microphone?
Oh, I'll hold on to the microphone. Yeah, you relax, you relax. Yeah.
I like to take control. Okay, right. So we are motion specialists.
Yep.
So we are UK and Europe's premier motion specialists. Really specialising in control of servo and stepper motors, both rotary systems and also linear systems. So we have a full range of motion-related equipment that we're showing here today. Everything from a range of servo motors from Kollmorgen.
We're going to take a look at these right now, right? They're all on display. We might as well get in amongst it.
So this is a range of motors that we are marketing from a company called Kollmorgen. We are actually one of only a very small handful of gold partners for Kollmorgen. Okay, so Kollmorgen has a full range of servo motors, from small 0.1 Newton meter motors right the way up to a range of about 200 Newton meter torque motors. So very, very powerful motors. These are conventional motors, conventional style drives. These are drives that are designed to go into a control cabinet. But what we'd like to promote here today is a range of servo drives that are designed to go out of the control cabinet. So
just to our right here.
Yeah. So what we have here is we take a normal servo drive. Normally out on the machine, you'd have your motors on the machine. Everything then would be cabled and wired back to a central control cabinet. That takes up a lot of room. There's a lot of wiring to be done there, and very, very expensive in terms of both wiring time and cables themselves. So what we have here is a system where the only thing that goes in the cabinet is the power supply and a central unit here. Then we have one single cable going out onto the machine to IP65 rated servo drive here, which is then connected with a short cable to the motor. That cable now loops around your machine from motor to motor, so that takes power and communications via EtherCAT and also STO, so your safety stop is also involved in that as well. So the idea here is this will save about 80% of the typical wiring costs of a machine. So there's huge savings, especially for packaging machines or machines for the food industry, for instance.
And what sort of relationships are you looking to build over the next couple of days?
Oh, to find customers, of course, yeah. So we're here to find customers. But really we want to look for customers that are building machines that would like some technical input from the suppliers such as ourselves. So our expertise is not just supplying components, but supplying a complete solution for the customer. And we can do that either with a series of components that we will put together as a package, or we have the ability to design motors or XY linear systems and a range of other equipment. We can work from a blank sheet of paper. Customers normally come to us and say, right, we want to move from A to B in this amount of time, this mass, how do you do it? And we'll come up with a solution.
And one fun thing to finish up with here as well, you pointed this out, I'm actually going to swing this side of you, and this is the moment where you can take the microphone from me and just tell me what we're looking at and what's going on.
Okay, right. So Mark, if you grab that joystick there,
yeah.
And if you, so what we have here is just a bit of fun really. It's a six axes motion system in the form of what we call a hexapod. So you may have seen these things for like a flight simulator and things like on the TV. Okay. So you have a control yoke there, which gives you complete 6 degrees freedom of motion. And
sort of go up and down.
Yeah, you can give it a twist. If you twist it there, you can see the whole thing twisting. So the motion is really following you, just as a bit of fun. So the technology that we're showing is linear actuators. So we have Thomson Linear actuators here, ball screw driven, with a servo motor controlling the motion. Each motor is linked to a tiny drive here. So normally a servo drive would be a huge box. These are tiny DC drives, and they're all linked together with this green cable, which is a EtherCAT communication system. So again, minimizing wiring. This is similar technology as I showed on the other table there. But we just put this together as a bit of fun.
Great.
And then if we give that a little twist,
little squeak on that one. Great.
Hopefully we'll
hopefully gets the ball up in the air. Let's see if we can get that going. Stand back. Here we go. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
I think we've got it under control. You see if I can blow it off that way, can I?
Yeah, you can try.
Right, let's give it a go.
There you go. What we should have done is put a basket here.
Yeah.
There you go.
Amazing.
There you go. Expert. Go on.
Bring it down.
Go on.
Go on.
There you go.
Yes.
Well done.
Eighth time lucky. And listen, Ash, thanks very much for the chat. All the best the rest of the week.
All the best.
Cheers. Thank you.